Housecall Pro update problems are usually fixed by restarting the app, checking for a newer version, and making sure your device and account are connecting correctly. By the end, you'll know the steps to troubleshoot Housecall Pro when an update causes crashes, loading issues, or missing features. Start by closing the Housecall Pro app completely and opening it again. A full restart can refresh the app after an update changes how it loads. If the app still does not work, check your device's app store for another available Housecall Pro update. Sometimes an update does not install correctly, and installing the latest version can resolve the issue. Open the App Store or Google Play Store and search for Housecall Pro. If an update button appears, install it before trying the app again. Next, check your internet connection. Housecall Pro relies on a stable connection to load customer information, schedules, jobs, and other account data. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to test whether the connection is causing the problem. If the app works after changing networks, the issue may be related to your internet connection. If the app opens but information is not showing correctly, sign out of Housecall Pro and sign back in. This refreshes the connection between your device and your account. Restart your phone or tablet before opening the app again. A device restart can clear temporary problems that affect app performance after an update. If you use Housecall Pro on multiple devices, check whether the issue happens on all of them or only one device. This helps identify whether the problem is with your account or your specific device. If the update caused the app to freeze, crash, or stop loading, check that your device operating system is supported and updated. Older software versions can create compatibility problems with newer app releases. If none of these steps work, contact Housecall Pro support through the official support options. Explain what changed after the update, what error appears, and which troubleshooting steps you already completed. Include your device model, operating system version, and the exact feature that is not working. These details help support investigate the issue faster. Avoid repeatedly reinstalling the app without confirming your login details first. Make sure you know your account information before removing and reinstalling the app. The main fixes are restarting the app, checking updates, testing your connection, refreshing your account login, and contacting Housecall Pro support when needed. To recap, Housecall Pro update issues are usually caused by app installation problems, connection issues, or device compatibility problems. Your next step is to restart the app and check for updates before moving to support. If this guide helped, leave a like, subscribe, and check out our other business app troubleshooting videos for more quick fixes.